Rekha. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about closet essentials. Now today I'm gonna show you also few of my closet essentials which I really think that you guys should also have in your closet, and you can literally pair up or style these pieces with any other attire. And this video is perfect for you if you don't like to repeat clothes. So this video is also kind of a hack or anything, because I'm gonna tell you what piece of clothing you can style with what piece of another clothing. I think that made sense, right? I will show you the very basic pieces, yet the needy ones. And before starting with this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications. Press that bell icon right beside the subscribe option so that you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. And now without further ado, let's get started with this video. Number one is a good pair of jeans. I mean, I am 100% sure that every one of you already have at least one pair of jeans in their wardrobe, because we know that this is actually a daily essential in our life, because jeans are such a versatile piece and we can pair jeans with any other outfit. I mean, starting from a normal t-shirt to an off-shoulder top to a crop top to a anything kind of top, or even with a dress. In fact, I saw people wearing jeans with Indian outfits, and how cool is that? In fact, I sometimes wear that. So let me just talk about a little bit about these three pants. This is the one which I got from Levi's. ये थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो गया है, थोड़ा सा नहीं बहुत बड़ा हो गया है. So to be honest, मैं इसे उतना नहीं पहनती, लेकिन फिर भी sometimes I somehow try to wear it, with belt. Like I make it manageable to wear, because I really don't want to throw this piece. Then I have this one which is from Lee Cooper. Now this is a high-waisted jeans, and recently I got a huge fetish for high-waisted jeans. This Levi's one is a low-rise jean, and this is again a white jeans. I don't know why I have two white jeans, but anyway, this is from Hoffman. Yes, this is from Hoffman, and this is the low-rise one. And guys, please remember that whenever you're buying jeans for you, always make sure to look for the perfect type and perfect size for yourself, because right pair of jeans is is a very basic outfit, and we all love to wear jeans. I usually go for high-waisted jeans because high-waisted jeans enhances my body structure a lot. I am a chubby person. I am a lot chubby on my belly and on my thighs. So high-waisted jeans helps me to enhance my body structure, and also it is very much convenient for me to wear. And like that, you always have to look at the perfect type, perfect size, which actually you are comfortable in. And for me, my jeans have to end till the end of my legs. I mean, from where my toe starts, exactly till that point. I don't like three-quarter jeans or those type of jeans which are till my knees. So whenever you're buying a jeans, guys, always make sure to check the right type and size for yourself, because that's how it will help you in the long run. If you don't have any, I mean, everyone have, but still, if any one of you don't have, or even if you really is in need of buying another one, so make sure to get your hands on a perfect pair of jeans and you'll be good to go. The next one is a proper pair of leggings. Now I have two, and both of them are black. If you ever dig in my closet, you will always notice a lot of whites and blacks happening in there. So I don't know why I am so much like this. Anyway, so having a good pair of bottom wear is very important. And if you really don't have a lot of bottom wear, I'm not telling you to buy lots and lots of jeans or lots and lots of leggings. I'm not telling you that, but have some number of bottom wear, because that will help you a lot. So the next thing which I'm going to talk about, and which I'm already talking about, is leggings. Now leggings can be again worn with anything. You can wear this to a gym also. You can wear this with Indian wear, of course. You can wear this with saris also. How? Like, I never ever tried this thing like wearing leggings with saris, but I have seen people using a leggings as a petticoat and wearing the sari on top. And I don't know how they do that. I mean, of course, you know how they do that, but I don't know how they handle the sari, because it is very difficult to handle a sari. So I never did that, but if you want, you can do that. Go experimental with your clothes, not a problem. Fashion is a very subjective thing. You can always experiment. So these are the two leggings which I really don't remember from where I got these from. Get your hand on some proper leggings and you can literally go for any kind of color. Leggings are so stretchable and such a comfortable piece to be in. So buy a leggings if you don't have one. And the next is a black t-shirt or a white t-shirt. Now, if you are thinking that why mainly these two colors, then because I feel like that these two colors can literally go with any other color, and you can like that you can style these two with any other outfit. Now generally what happens when we get any invitation from a be it a party or anything, we always think, okay, I need to go to a party, I need to wear fancy clothes, I need to wear proper dress, I need to wear something which will look good on me. But if you don't have any of those things, but if you wear any of these two with anything, trust me, you will look good. I mean, I'm not kidding. How can I wear just a normal black t-shirt or just a white t-shirt, plain, just simple colors to such a fancy party or anything? But no, guys, you can literally wear these two. I went to a college fest wearing this black t-shirt and paired this with a normal denim jeans, and I just wore a shrug upon it. I will give a picture over here so that you can have a look how I looked, how the whole thing looked like. It looked very pretty and it was very simple. Talking about these two, this one is from Gadiya and this one is from Newmarket, and these two are very comfy to wear and are of very good quality. So if you don't have a white or a black t-shirt, then get your hands on any one of them at least, because this might help you in the long run. For the next essential, I would like to say that if you are looking for a very casual look yet a very good one, then you can definitely try some tank tops. I have these three colors, one in black, one in a peach one, and the other is a white. I got all of these from Gadiya and these are in such a good quality. You can wear a tank top just like that, or you can pair it with any denim jacket, blazer, t-shirt, anything. So if you don't have a tank top, then please get your hand on at least one, because tank top gives a very sexy look and also makes a very bold statement about your style. So if you don't have a tank top, then I would highly request you to get your hands on at least one. The next essential is denim jackets. Now I really love denims, not only because of the fact that they are very cool, but also they are very basic, and I am really into very basic and simple outfits. Now let's talk a little bit about these two outfits. So this is from Forever 21 and this is again from Gadiya. Most of my stuff are from Gadiya, and maybe in future I will also buy myself more denim jackets, maybe of different color, of different length, of different size. So get your hands on some denim jackets. If you don't have one, there are so many pieces available out there in the market within such nice price range. The last and not the least is a fit and flare dress. I mean, who doesn't like dress, right? And this dress is from Here and Now. I got this from Myntra and this is a really nice one. The quality is very nice. Price was for around rupees 1000, I guess. Now why I specifically mentioned fit and flare. Now fit and flare dresses are mainly till your knees, and I know girls that you literally can't wear a dress to everywhere. I mean, if you are thinking to wear a dress to your college, it is not possible to wear a dress which is not till your knees. Like in my college, it is not allowed to wear dresses which is shorter in height. But if you want to wear your dress anywhere else, be going to a party or going to a friend's house or just hang out, for that cases you can go for any kind of dress. But this is essential because if you are thinking to wear a dress at your college, then you have to maintain the rules and regulations of the college also. I wore this at my college fresher. Now girls, I would like to tell you something very important, that is, please don't fall for all those extra small, small, medium, large, extra large wala tags. Don't fall for these. Ignore the tags, ignore the sizes, those small, those tags, ignore those and wear the one which you are comfortable in. Okay, I usually go for medium sizes, but sometimes, very rarely, I go for large and very rarely I go for small. So it actually depends from brand to brand and also on your body structure. So please make sure that you always go for the right size and not fall for those labels. So yes, get yourself a fit and flare dress and yes, you are good to go. So So that's it for the video, guys, and if you reached till this part of this video, then thank you so much for watching the whole of it. And guys, I always try to make videos according to your needs, the ones which you will find helpful, because if you find my videos helpful, I feel very good about the fact that all the effort, all the मेहनत जो गया है इस वीडियो में, that is successful. And if you have any other kind of video requests, then leave them right down in the comments. I will have a look to them and I will make videos on all of those topics. Like this video, comment down whatever I told you to, share this video with your friends, families and all, and subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications. Press the bell icon right beside the subscribe option, and like that you will be notified every time I upload a brand new video. And make sure to follow me on my Instagram. I always post a lot of stuff on there. The link to my Instagram handle is mentioned in my description box. You can have a look from there. So yes, that's it for the video. I will see you again in my next one. Bye.